So check it out. This is my latest build. It's a cab forward. It's a duplex, and it's got two 1666 motors in it. They're both wired to the same reverse unit, and both of them have traction tires. There's scale wheels on the front, and of course 1666 regular pilot wheels in the back. And also I have a sound of power tender behind that. It's when I repaired the actuator wheel using some electronic paint. And we also have some K-line out of Marx mold rolling stock behind it. So we're going to take it for a test run, see if there's any more tweaks or whatever that we need to make. And here we go. And we'll pick the camera up if I can do it smoothly and try to follow the engine around a little bit. And here we go. Okay, we'll set the camera back down. We can without really knocking anything on the floor. There we go. Alright, I don't see anything derailing. The front motor is just a little bit quicker at lower speeds than the other one, so I might need to do a little tweaking on the rear motor. But other than that, looks like it's just about ready to finish up the body work, and we'll get it painted. And all right, so thanks again for watching. Keep watching for updates, and we'll get this project done. And God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.